Now I'm creating the second part of the plumber block, that is the cap. First what I do, I'll take half of this sketch, then I'll extrude this for a dimension of 36 mm. Then I'll mirror this half of this one. So the dimensions are given here. This is 19 mm radius, this is 36 mm radius. The center of this to the this dimension is to the this edge is 6 mm. This is 12 mm. This is 10 mm. Next, I need to create these two holes. Next, there is a another hole, oil hole at the center of this cap. So first create this part, this half sketch, then I'll mirror that one. Okay. So under CATIA you open the part design, give the name as cap design, select the plane, go for the sketch mode, go to the profile, simply I'll draw a rough sketch of this cap. Later on I'll give the dimension. So in order to escape from this command, you press the escape button on the keyboard. Then I need to create a semicircle like this, semicircle of 36 mm. So I'll choose semicircle by center. I'll treat this as the center of the circle, center of the arc. So I'll choose this edge. I stop the arc exactly at this point. Next, one more arc I'll create. So I'll leave exactly at this point. Next, I'll join this edge to this edge of the arc. Now you give the dimension of the dimension for this sketch now. So this dimension is, I'll give this dimension later. I'll give this and this dimension first. You double click on this so that you can give the dimension continuously. This is 6 mm here. This is 12 mm. Next, this is 10 mm. This is 19 mm. This is 36 mm. Next, from the center to this edge is half of 44. So from here to here it is, not this dimension. This dimension is here. the center to this dimension is 43. So I'll give the 43 radius. Next, from the center to this edge is half of 44. So select this. So I'll rearrange this little bit. Okay. Now I'll give the dimension. This is half of 44. So let me check once again all the dimensions. So this is 6, 12, 10. This is half of 20. 44 is 22. This is 19, 36. 19, 36. Next one is, this is 43. From here to here it is 43. Here. From center to this is 43. So I'll exit from the workbench. Go for the pad option. So it is 36. I'll choose half of 36. I'll take the mid plane. Okay, so that 18 on the other side and 18 on the one more side. Let me choose once again the dimension, this sketch. So half of 36 on both the sides. See here. So it has taken, this is a mid plane. Here it is 18, on the other side it is 18. So total is 36. Next I need to create this hole. Choose the plane. This hole is of 10.5 mm size in diameter. Once again I choose the circle. I want exactly the center of this to lie on the center of this. This is diameter is 10.5. See here, this is 10.5 mm. Next, I need to give the distance of this hole. It is at a distance of, see here, half of, from the center it is half of 62. So now I need to give this to this. Half of 62. And this will be 18. Otherwise you can check that also. This is 18 itself. Exit from the workbench. Go for the pocket command. Give up to next. This is the hole created. Next, I need to remove this much of material. So this circle radius is how much from the center of this? It is this circle radius is 12 mm. So the center of this R lies exactly on the center of this circle. So once again I'll choose this plane. I'll go for the sketch mode. I'll draw a circle of radius is how much? Radius is 12 mm radius. Next, the center of this should coincide with this. Sorry, the center of this this circle should be concentric with this circle. So I will use a command that is called as a concentricity. Now I'll go for one more command that is called as a project command. I'll project this 3D elements. Then I'll go for the trim option. I'll go for the quick trim. I'll double click on this so that I can able to remove the unwanted portions. So I need to remove this much of material. So I'll go for exit command. I'll go for the cutout. So we change the direction in the upward direction so that this much of material will be removed. See here. See the sketch properly. So I mirror this portion. I'll mirror exactly in the opposite direction. Nothing but I'll go for the mirror command. I'll choose the plane. Next, I need to create a oil hole. Exactly here. What I do, I'll go for the front view. I'll offset this plane to a distance of how much? This is center of the circle. So from here to here it is 36. So I'll go for the plane option. I'll enter 36 distance. So this is our plane. Why we are creating this plane? Because we cannot able to create the geometry on the curved surfaces. So we need to have a plane. Okay, we cannot able to create any parts on the curved surfaces. Because that reason, you need to create a plane. From that plane, you need to produce the various parts. Select this plane. Next, you go for the hole command. See here, this is up to next surface. The diameter of this hole will be how much? See here, this is a counter sinking hole, counter sunk hole. So this hole diameter is how much? 3 mm. So I need to enter 3 mm. Next, it is a counter bored hole. The diameter of this counter bored hole is 6 mm here. See here, 6 mm. Next, the depth of counter board hole should be how much? 10 mm. This has to be 10 mm. Here I'll come for the this extension. I'll go for the sketch positioning. See here, our hole is located here, so it has to come exactly at the center of this. So what I do, I'll choose this hole and this plane, and I'll give a constant that is called as a point side. So this hole which was previously here, it is shifted to this. Next I'll select this, then I'll select this plane, give coincide, so it has come exactly at the center of this plane. Otherwise you can give the dimension also, that is left to you. By means of this dimensioning you can able to move this hole to the center of this one. So this is 3 mm hole, 3 mm diameter hole. Up to next type is a counter board, 6 mm hole. This is a 6 mm counter board hole, and depth of the counter board is how much? 10 mm. Next, this is a curved surface, so I need to remove this much of material I need to remove. So what I do, from the center I'll draw a circle of 43 mm radius. I'll choose this plane, one circle, one more circle. So this circle should be 43 mm radius. So this circle should be more than this, okay, of any dimension. So what I do, whatever the material is here, in between this circle and this circle, it will be removed. Nothing but this much of material will be removed. Go for cutout. See here, this much of material will be removed. So this is a final view of the cap. If I try to see it from the top view, see here, it is exactly like this. This is the top view, no? So there is a hole, and this much of material here is removed, and this is oil hole.